Hi, we're in the kitchen again for some more measuring capacity. Do you remember what capacity means? Capacity means how much something can hold. Now, do you remember, let's think about when we were measuring length. When we were measuring length, we were using what unit? When we would measure, say I measured this container with my ruler, and say it was 6, we would say it was 6 inches. Now, we don't use inches when measuring capacity. There's different things that you can use. Sometimes you might use something called cups, okay? So I'm going to use this cup to measure different capacities, and we'll see how many cups each of these can hold. So this is a cup, it's a measuring cup, and you might be familiar with these. You might use them for baking. You can see this, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but right here it says 1 cup. I can't get the lighting just there, maybe that's it. Get the lighting just right so you can read that, but it said, oh, it was upside down. It says 1 cup, there you go. Okay, so what I want you to do today is you'll need to find 4 containers again. And label them just like yesterday with a little bit of tape and some writing on there, A, B, C, D. You'll need this paper. You can make one that looks like it. There'll be a picture of it in the newsletter, or you can print this one out. That'll also be available to you. Okay, and then what we're going to do is measure capacity. We're going to measure how many cups each of these can hold. So I have my bowl of water, and I have my container. So this is the first one, okay? This is A. So on your paper, it says, how many cups can it hold? A, B, C, D. And you're gonna fill in how many cups each of these can hold. Blank cups, blank cups, blank cups, blank cups. So I'm gonna start with my container A. Let's see. So I wanna fill up my measuring cup to the tippy top each time. 1, 2, 3. It's getting a little tricky for me to fill it up to the top, so I might need to turn my bowl a little bit. 4, 5. I wonder if one more can fit. I'm gonna hold it over top of here. 6. Okay, I'm worried if I put in a whole cup that it'll overflow. So I might need to just put in half of this cup. So far it's at 6, but it's not quite to the top yet. So I'm going to put in half of this. That's right, half of it gets it right to the tippy top. Okay, so I'm going to pour the leftover back in there. So 6, and then I needed half of a cup of water. Okay, so 6 and a little bit. Okay, so I have my towel here again too. So in case I need it to dry my hands, or in case I need it for drying up a little bit of a spill. So that was 6 and a half. Okay, so record that on your paper by A, 6 and a half. You're gonna do the same thing with B and C and D. How many cups can they hold? And then I want you to put them in order from least to most. Okay, which was the smallest container? Which one had the smallest capacity? Next smallest, which one had the biggest capacity? Okay, so you're going to use cups today. It's kind of like when you measure length, you use a ruler. And now we're measuring capacity, and we're using cups. Okay, so you can use this cup to measure and see how much each of your containers can hold. Okay, have fun.